In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect AirPods to your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off you need to ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. So first off, open up settings, then head over to Bluetooth, and if that switcher turned on, it means that Bluetooth is enabled. Then you can hop out settings and bring your AirPods charging case close to your iPhone, and then just open up that case. You need to wait for a while, maybe 5 or 10 seconds, until that prompt comes up, and then just hit Add Connect. Now it says press and hold the button on the back of your charging case. Here we can easily find that button. All we have to do is just press and hold. And after a couple of seconds it says connecting. And now my AirPods has just been successfully connected. As you can see, I can just hit Add Continue, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.